Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox moong dal juice that is perfect to be had during breakfast in empty stomach. For this, I'm going to take 1 cup of green moong and I'm going to roast it completely until it's brownish red. It's also important to roast it well so that we have a good flavor to it and don't have a raw taste to the juice. We now add the roasted moong to the mixer jar. Next, we're going to add some almonds which are soaked overnight and skin peeled. We add about 8 to 10 of them. Next, we add some coconut pieces which are nicely chopped. Ensure they are fresh coconut so that the juice is still available for us to extract. Next, we're going to add some almonds or elaichi as we call it for a good flavor. We top this up with some boiled milk. Ensure that it is boiled and not raw milk. We then add some water onto this until everything gets submerged. We also add a little bit of salt, just a pinch of it, not too much. After we have nicely ground it, we run it through a sieve so that all the hard particles are off. We add some jaggery for taste, and now our 100% detox drink is ready to be had, served chilled.